Good morning children, welcome to your maths class. Today we will start chapter Geometry. In the previous class we have learnt about a line segment and closed figures made with line segments such as quadrilateral and triangle. So in this chapter we shall learn about a ray, an angle and the types of angles. So we shall first discuss about a line segment, a ray in brief before learning angles. So let's start with line segment. A line segment is a straight line that has a beginning and an end point. So here point A and B are here on this line segment. So it has two end points and it is known as a line segment. So AB represents line segment and it has two end points. Now line. A line can be extended to any length on both sides. Here arrows are given. So arrows on both ends show that a line can be extended to any length. A line has no end point and a line has no length. So a line segment extending endlessly on both sides is called a line. AB shows as a line segment, but the blue line that is having arrows on both sides, that is known as a line. Next is ray. A endlessly ray is a part of a line that extends endlessly in one direction only. So it means a ray has one end point and point A shows the initial point of a ray and point B we can extend endlessly. Now we will learn about an angle. So let's see. As we know that our sun lights the earth, there are many rays of light reach the earth. Suppose a ray of light starts from the sun and goes in this direction, means towards the earth. Another ray of light goes in this direction from the same point, means from sun. So the space created between these two rays which are close to the sun is known as an angle. So the question arises, what is an angle? An angle is a space between two rays or lines which have the same starting point and which are near to the point, that is known as an angle. Now here you can see two rays start from the same point and the figure formed, that is known as an angle, and the point where these two rays are started, that is known as an vertex. As we learnt that how the angle is formed, the starting line is called initial arm or initial line and the second line is called terminal ray or line, and the common point where they start, they means where the two rays have started, that is known as a vertex. Now types of angles. Basic, there are four types of angles are there, that are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. So we will discuss one by one. So first type is right angle. So right angle is an angle whose measure is 90 degree. That is a right angle. Next is acute angle. It is an angle whose measure is less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree is called an acute angle. Next is obtuse angle. It is an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. It is an angle whose measure is 180 degree. It is called an straight angle. Diagrammatical representation of angle. So here the representation of angles are here: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Now here we can recapitulate about the types of angles. So acute angle. Acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree. Next is right angle. So right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree. Next is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Next is straight angle. Straight angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree. So beta, this is all about angle and its types. Okay children, take care.